The National Electrical Code, or NEC, has specific requirements for electrical outlets installed near hydrotherapy bathtubs to ensure safety. Firstly, outlets shall not be located within 6 feet of the inside edge of any hydrotherapy bathtub or built-in swimming pool, according to NEC section 406.11b. This distance is crucial for preventing electrical hazards. Secondly, for outlets located within 6 feet to 12 feet from the inside edge of a hydrotherapy bathtub or built-in swimming pool, specific protection measures are required. These include GFCI protection. Outlets shall be protected by ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, as stated in NEC section 406.4d2. A GFCI is a fast-acting circuit breaker designed to shut off electrical power in the event of a ground fault, which can help prevent electrical shock. Thirdly, moisture-resistant outlet boxes are also required. Outlets shall be enclosed in a moisture-resistant outlet box, according to NEC section 406.4d2. These boxes are designed to protect the electrical connections from moisture, which can cause corrosion and electrical hazards. Fourthly, regarding mounting height, for residential occupancies, outlets shall be mounted at least 5 feet above the floor. This is specified in NEC section 406.11b2. This height helps to prevent water from splashing into the outlets. Fifthly, outlets shall not be readily accessible to a person using the hydrotherapy bathtub. This requirement is found in NEC section 406.11b3. This is to prevent accidental contact with electrical outlets while in the bathtub. While the NEC does not specifically address the issue of water contacting the wiring conductors ahead of the GFCI device, it is recommended to install the GFCI device at a higher elevation to minimize the risk of water exposure. This is a practical measure to enhance safety. It is common practice to install GFCI outlets in bathrooms, including under hydrotherapy bathtubs, but they should be installed with appropriate covers to minimize the risk of accidental activation. This adds an extra layer of protection. In areas where water is likely to be present, it is essential to ensure that all electrical components are properly grounded and protected from moisture. Grounding provides a path for stray electrical current to flow back to the source, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Regular inspections and maintenance are recommended to prevent any potential hazards. This includes checking the GFCI outlets to ensure they are functioning correctly and inspecting the wiring for any signs of damage.